Okay, for tonight's homework, we are looking at how heavy is your pumpkin, and Junhee and Yuna are gonna help out with this one. But I'm gonna start it. So first of all, let's look here. And Damien grew 18 pumpkins, and he was looking at how heavy the pumpkins were. So I'm gonna title my graph Pumpkin Weight, and then I'm going to draw my x-axis down below. And then I can look at the numbers over here. And what's the smallest one? Looks like 2, and the maximum looks like 12. So I need to go from 2 to 12 on my line plot. And now I can start to put in the pumpkin weights on my graph. So there's 7, 10.
Next is 4, and then 6, 9, 3, 11, 4, and keep going.
Alright, thank you, Yuna. And now we're going to look at some of the data landmarks, like minimum, maximum, and those things.
The minimum is 2 and the maximum is 12.
Okay, and then to get the range, you need to subtract 12 minus 2, the difference between 12 and 2. That will be your range. Your mode is going to be whatever is the highest here, whatever's tallest will be your mode. I'm not going to do it for you, but that will be your mode. And finally, we need to do the median as well. This will take longer than the other things. So to do the median, you need to list in order all of the numbers from smallest to greatest. So for example, there will be 2 2s, 1, 2, and I think 3 3s, 1, 2, 3, so I'm listing those out. Next I would put the 4s, and I would have 1, 2, 3, 4 4s, I think. And list all of the numbers out, and then you go back and forth until you figure out what number is in the middle, and that number will be your median. And that's it for this one. Thank you to Yuna and Junhee for helping out, and bye.
Bye.